with DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Hey, 10:38 in the morning. Welcome to the Morning Brew Show. We are coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon for 11 straight years now. Subic Bay Freeport Zone. All right? 11 straight years. Wow. Okay. And before we move on, before we continue, here's a couple of announcements and invites for you guys. All right? Our friends from SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown is inviting you to the Pet Fair, Summer Pet Fair that will be happening on April 27, Saturday, 3 p.m. So yung mga fur moms and yung mga fur babies ninyo, dalhin nyo. Okay? It's gonna be on April 27, once again, level 4 at the Paw Park of SM City Olongapo Central. The Summer Hangout, part of the Summer Hangout event of SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? And also, the jobs fair will be happening on May 1, 9 a.m. at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Job fair, a lot of jobs. Okay? Maraming trabaho from in and around the city. Okay? Plus, this is with the help of POEA, with OWA, the Labor Department. Okay? So again, job fair happening on Labor Day, May 1 at SM City Olongapo Central. Get your resumes ready, all right? And My Girl Milk Tea and Coffee is now open at the second level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. So check it out. Give it a try, all right? Kung hindi nyo pa natatry yung My Girl, all right? Milk Tea and Coffee. Second level, SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? And also, the Engines Fan Fest will be happening on April 28. Yung Engines po, yan yung mga official moniker or call sign para sa mga fans ng South Korean pop boy band called ENHYPEN. Ayan. Meaning, ENHYPEN is coming April 28, 3 p.m. at the level 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, so check it out. ENHYPEN is coming April 28, Sunday, 3 p.m. level 2 of SM Downtown. And lastly, Mom's Ube and Triple Chocolate Champurado is now open at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check it out. Yung mga mahilig sa champurado, pero kakaibang champurado to. Ube na, may triple chocolate pa. Yummy. Makadaan nga dyan. Okay? So there you have it. Those are the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And right about now, here at the station, you guys can probably see, naka-live video tayo sa Facebook page ng 89.5, Facebook page ng The Morning Brew Radio Show, my page, and of course, nakatag yung, yung kanilang mother unit, ang the Philippine Navy, the Philippine Fleet. Our friends from the Philippine Navy, I'll let them do self-introduction. Sige po, pakilala po kayo sa mga tagapakinig natin.
Yes, sir. DJ Tommy, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. No? Ako po si Lieutenant Giovanni M. Badidles, Philippine Navy.
Okay.
I am the Fleet Public Affairs Officer of the Philippine Fleet. And together with me is...
I'm Apprentice Iman Galion. Ako po ang admin branch ng aming office.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Yan.
Yes, sir.
Alam niyo, pag nandito ang mga kaibigan natin from the Philippine Navy, well, most probably may importanteng may importanteng ipaparating sa ating mga
Exactly.
pakinig. Ayan.
Yes,
Sige
DJ
po.
Tommy.
Take it away. The air is yours.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity to be here sa station nyo.
Our pleasure.
89.5 Sambales Radio. We are here para i-announce ang aming recruitment.
Recruitment.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
Ayun.
The Philippine Navy is looking for the qualified applicants to become one of us, to become a sailor and aviators and the one that will be manning our newly acquired floating assets. Ayan.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
We have a few, ano?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Since na sa modernization program ng ating government at lalong-lalo na sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, specifically the Philippine Navy, we are looking for qualified applicants.
Okay.
So here are the requirements, sir.
Apo.
Original and photocopy of your PSA birth certificate.
Okay.
Original and photocopy of your school general average, or if you are a graduate of college, you don't have to bring your transcript of record. And then if senior high graduate, you should at least have NC2.
NC2.
Yes. And then bring at least 3 2x2 pictures with
Okay.
white background, and then
Okay.
authenticated copy of any government ID, and then lastly, NBI clearance.
NBI clearance, yes.
Yes, of course, the qualifications, siyempre. We proceed to the requirements. However,
Okay.
hindi pa natin nababanggit yung qualifications, Digit Tommy, no?
Apo, apo.
So, banggitin na lang din namin yung mga qualifications. Applicants must be 18 to 32 years old.
18 to 32. Yeah. Okay.
and
You guys take note, ha? Mga nakikinig ngayon.
A height of 5 feet.
Ayun!
Yan.
Pumasok ako.
5 feet.
Hindi naman ako mag-apply, pero natutuwa lang ako na pumasok ako.
And at least completed, sa educational background niya, is at least completed as 72
72
units or mayroon siyang TESDA National Certificate 2.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
Yung pasok dito, yung mga nag-K to 12 natin.
Yeah.
K to 12,
Mga
yes, yes.
related
Students.
courses. And must be a natural-born Filipino citizen and with a good moral character, of course.
Okay.
And, siyempre, single.
Single.
Yes.
You guys prefer single? Yeah.
Yes. Single talaga pag pumapasok sa military, sa armed forces natin. And must not have child. Kumbaga, hindi pa siya nanganganak.
Nagkakaanak.
Alam lang natin. Hindi naman natin inaano yung
Yes, discrimination.
discrimination.
Yes.
Pero that's the requirement.
Yeah, yeah. And of course, definitely, parang morally kasi ano tayo parang nagiging ano natin yun para walang iiwang pamilya. Siyempre
Yes.
mag-duty sa di ba?
Yes,
Walang
It would be easier for the person, the
Yes,
personnel
yes.
mismo, it's himself,
Anyway,
di ba?
that's part of the training. Kailangan nakafocus tayo sa training.
Yes,
That's
exactly.
the requirement why we hire na talagang single
Mas
sila.
preferred yung single.
Para during the training is nakafocus lang sila
Yeah.
sa training nila.
Kasi totoo yan it will be, kung meron kang iniintinding anak, asawa, it will be mentally tough for you, kahit sabihin natin gano'ng kakatibay na tao.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Iniintindi mo, syempre, mahal mo yung anak mo, mahal mo yung asawa
Yes,
mo.
of course.
Yes, sir.
Isipin mo yun. Mentally, mas challenge ka mentally kung papasok ka dyan tapos may pamilya ka, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Yun. So, para, it's for their own good na rin naman, kaya nire-require na gano'n, di ba? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, yun.
Pero wag nyo na po akong tawaging sir.
DJ.
Wag din ma'am. DJ Tommy would be fine.
DJ Tommy.
Yeah. Apo.
Okay. The schedules, before we
Before
proceed dito
with the
sa
schedule.
schedules, meron din tayong ongoing
Job fair sa
job fair sa
Walter Mart, Subic.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Since the last time, dyan din kayo nag-job fair sa
started
Walter Mart. no?
yesterday. It started yesterday and
Until 24, April
Until the
24.
24th.
Yes.
Ayan. Okay, so job fair. Madaling puntahan, Walter Mart.
Yeah.
Yes sir, dito we focus kung mayroon tayo dito sa dito sa Subic na mga applicants, then it is the opportunity
Yeah.
kasi bibihira lang pumunta yung ating mobile recruitment team.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Dito
Kasi
sa area.
kasi nga naman, di ba? Yeah.
Aside from that, we also have sa ating mga tagapanood, sa ating sa online, naka-online ngayon, nakikinig. I-announce ko na rin itong schedules natin from 29 April
Okay.
until May 1. Nasa
Okay.
Cotabato po tayo.
Uy, layo.
Cotabato City. Yes, sir. And sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
On 13 to 15 May naman is nasa Bacolod tayo digital.
Bacolod. Yes.
Yes, Bacolod. And then on 20 to 22 May nasa Batanes. Yan.
Okay, Batanes.
Sa Batanes North. And on 3 to 5 June 2024 nasa Isabela. 10 to 12 June nasa Zambales ulit tayo. Dito ulit sa Zambales. And then 17 to 19 June nasa Pangasinan. At 8 to 10 July nasa Tawi-Tawi. And 20 to 24 July nasa Iligan City. And 05 to 07 August is nasa Bohol.
Okay.
Those are the schedules, and for yung mga hindi nakahabol sa binanggit kong mga schedules, they can follow and likes and subscribe our page, the Philippine Fleet official Facebook page para sa mga
Upcoming.
kadagdagang announcement sa schedules.
Yun. So yung mga mag-a-apply, kailangan you guys need their physical presence talaga, no? Hindi online lang ang application,
Opo,
wala
digital.
tayong online kailangan makaharap nyo talaga sila. So, yung mga binanggit ni Sir, sana ginot down ninyo para kung hindi man kayo makaabot sa schedule dito, malay mo yung isa sa mga lugar na binanggit ni Sir, baka hometown mo, ng
Yes.
magulang mo, pwede kayo pumunta doon para doon mag-apply, para humabol, no?
Yes.
Yan. Pero eto pong schedules na binigay nyo, Sir, naka-post naman yan sa inyong official Facebook
Apa,
page, no?
apa.
Ayan. Ang official Facebook page po nila, nakatag dito sa live video natin. It's called, on Facebook, hanapin nyo lang, The Philippine Fleet. O kaya yung isa naman, Philippine Navy, no? Na may
Yes.
blue check.
Yes.
Ayan. Pwede nyo pong puntahan yung
The
pages
Philippine
na yun.
Navy page is the official Facebook page ng buong Philippine
Buong
Navy.
Philippine Navy.
We are a type command under the Philippine Navy. Isa doon is yung Philippine Marine Corps, which also have their own recruitment sa Philippine Marines. And then the Philippine Fleet is also having our own
Yeah.
recruitment
Yes.
pagdating sa field fleet operations shipboard rating. Itong mga FOSR or Fleet Operations Shipboard Rating special enlistment ay kumbaga special recruit. Mas mabilis ang proseso nito
Yes.
para sa ating mga qualified applicants kasi ang purpose nito is to fill up
Yeah,
kung ano
yeah.
yung mga bagong dumating sa atin na
Yeah.
mga barko.
Yeah, you'll be
Barko,
needing people to fill up dun sa bago nating...
yes,
Yeah.
air assets at saka mga capabilities natin. Knowing na ang ating Philippine fleet ngayon ay going to become a modern
We're
Navy.
in the process of
Modern Navy.
modernizing.
Yes,
tsaka
modernizing.
dumadami talaga yung ating...
Dumadami ang ating mga equipment na
Nadadagdagan.
makabago. Oo.
Yan. To give them an overview, sir, tsaka madam, ano-ano ba yung mga magiging job opening? Halimbawa, well, we all know na, yun nga, sabi nyo, isasama sa barko. Pero, can you give us, kahit konti lang, a little bit of specific description nung ano yung kailangan? Halimbawa, well, meron yan sa ano no? Sa yung sa mga maintenance and repairs, mga ganon, yung naka-assign
Yes.
sa ganon. Yeah.
Yes, marami po
Ano
tayo.
po yung mga yon?
Marami tayong unahin na lang po natin yung sa fleet.
Yeah.
Sa fleet of operations shipboard rating
Yeah.
ay hinahanap natin yung mga sonarman.
Sonarman,
Sila
yun.
that's why we are looking for ITs.
ITs, yes,
na-
yes.
Kasi ITs and marine transportation graduates.
Yeah.
Ano pa ba?
Yung pong mga bisita nating students kanina, puro
yes,
IT lahat yung mga yun eh. Mga
qualified.
Very
TIP.
much qualified po sila kaya briefing natin sila kanina.
Ayun.
It's because purposely they are bemanning our newly capable newly acquired assets, modernized assets. And these are the positions or na posible nilang in the future, makuha. Sonarman,
Mapwestuhan.
ayan, sonarman,
Sonarman.
torpedo man, missile man, fire control man, operations specialist. Yan.
Yeah.
Yan yung mga some of the positions na mafi-fill in kapag nakapasok sila sa ating recruitment.
Ang sarap pakinggan ng mga magiging posisyon nila. Parang superhero, torpedo man, di ba?
Sonar.
Ano ba?
Sonarman.
Sonarman. Kala mo superhero ang dating eh, no?
Ano kasi DJ
Yeah.
Tommy purposely kasi ano kasi ngayon makabago na yung mga teknolohiya natin.
Yeah, exactly.
At tamang-tama sa ano natin ngayon, sa henerasyon natin
Yeah.
ngayon.
Changing
Masyado ng
times
mga-
and ano, yeah.
Masyado ng mga techie.
Tama.
Masyado ng mga techie. So,
Yeah.
ito yung anong namin kung bakit kailangan natin ng mga ITs. At marine transportations, graduates because, siyempre, mayroon na silang background during their academics about ships, about our vessels.
Yeah. Tama. Okay. So yan po yung mga magiging openings, no? Would you like to discuss a little bit of what's in it for me? Halimbawa, nag-apply ako. In-applyan ko yung mga, na-hire ako. What's in it for me? Well, we all know that you will have a new career, di ba? Career in the Navy. Pero sa tingin nyo, ano pa? Yung may pagmamalaki ninyo na ito yung mga magiging makuha mo, magiging sa'yo. Mga ganun.
One of the best example, DJ Tommy, is during the pandemic. During the pandemic, only the military yung hindi para
Has mobility and-
hindi gaanong naapektuhan
Naapektuhan.
sa ating sitwasyon, no. Hindi tayo naputulan ng sahod regular since being a military, talagang continuous yung
Continuous.
natin,
Yeah.
yung salary, hindi tayo naputulan. Another thing is upon take oath or kumbaga nakapasok na sila,
Nakapanumpa ka na.
completed na lahat ng mga requirements nila, they're expected to receive una pa lang sa training nyo pa lang, matatanggap na natin 31,000 plus,
Yeah.
31,000 plus, para lang yun sa pinakamababang rank,
Yeah.
Wow, pinakamababa.
private or apprentice seaman.
Parang training allowance pa ang tawag doon, sir?
Yeah, sahod na nila yun sa training.
Wow.
Parang sahod na rin
Yeah.
nila.
Malaki pa sa sahod ko, ah.
Apo, at siyempre meron pa tayong mga additional privilege.
Yes.
Privilege like medical, health, para sa health nila,
Ability, yung mga
housing, like for example, like mga, ano pa ba?
Yeah, the other like sa health benefits.
Lalong-lalo na sa health.
Yeah.
Lalong-lalo na sa health. That's free for kapag
Totally
nakapasok
free.
Yes, sir.
Sa mga nasa mga military personnel naman natin, qualified sila dyan, ano? They have totally free
Yes.
Yes.
health benefits. Yan. Wow.
Health benefits, yeah.
Oh, parang ano na rin, ano? That itself pa lang, yung mga sinabi ni Sir tsaka ni Ma'am, ano ka na eh. Parang tawag doon, stable ka na eh.
Stable.
Parang gano'n eh.
Yes.
Diba? Hanggat may Pilipinas naman, may Philippine Navy. Hindi naman mawawala ng nandiyan dyan lang yan. Di ba? Okay. So, ano pa? What else would you like to add para maengganyo yung mga nakikinig na, sige, apply na nga ako nga mamaya. Sige po.
So aside pa dun, sir, pwede yan sila makapunta sa ibang bansa, sir.
Ayun. Oo.
Travel benefits.
Dahil nga makabago yung mga kagamitan
Yeah.
natin ngayon, siyempre, una doon yung training. Kailangan natin matutunan kung paanong gamitin, paanong ma-integrate yung operability nito with other foreign
Acquiring,
counterparts.
tsaka
Siyempre. So,
acquiring of the
kailangan natin
knowledge.
ng kaalaman, knowledge, skills. So, pag nakapasok tayo sa ating Philippine Navy or specifically sa Philippine Fleet, ay magkakaroon sila ng mga opportunities to schooling abroad.
Schooling abroad.
Schooling abroad.
Schooling and trainings. You know.
Local trainings and foreign trainings. In fact, I am also one of the beneficiaries ng courses na ito sa France. Ayan.
Uy.
Sa France. I am a
Sa
graduate
France.
of CIC. CIC schooling.
Yun.
Yun yung mga nagmaman naman doon sa CIC ng ating mga barko.
Yun. That's nice. Okay. So, all in all, so far, ilan na po yung mga bagong pumasok na natin, na barko natin sa, siguro, kahit yung, etong of late lang talaga na mga pumasok.
Ngayon meron tayong bagong yung actually well-known naman sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan yung pagdating ng ating dalawang frigates. Dalawang frigates, lately lang last November or September 2023 is dumating yung ating dalawang fast attack interdiction craft. Ito yung missile capable na barko na kamakailan lang ay tinesting natin yung non-line of sight missile niya.
Non-line of sight, meaning kaya niyang puntahan kahit na
mag-fire
hindi...
ng 25 to 32 nautical miles na hindi mo nakikita yung target.
Yeah. Program mo lang yung coordinates and kung saan. Parang ganun.
Yes. Ayan.
Am I saying sensitive information already? Or
Hindi naman.
okay lang yun, okay lang.
Kaya naman yan.
Di ba? Coordinates lang yun, tapos ipoprogram and parang ganun. Yeah, nice. Wow. Talagang mga yung modernization natin ng ating fleet and talagang tuloy-tuloy na and Plus hindi lang po itong magiging improvement. More to come pa, sabi nga ng ating presidente.
Yes.
May mga parating pang improvement na with the help of our allies, syempre.
Yes.
And we all know naman din kasi mainly din talaga ang rason kung ba't kailangan natin. Well, number one, with or without that controversial issue, talagang kailangan na rin natin mag-modernize.
Kailangan na natin
Matagal na tayo napag-iwanan, siguro, sa tingin natin. Pero plus, yun nga, added factor pa yung yung mga, ewan ko, yung parang, ano ba yung term na ginamit ko? Parang wala sa laglag mag-isip. na, na ang layo-layo sa kanila, pero kanila. Yung mga ganun.
Yun yung ano natin.
Ancestral fishing domain daw eh. Yung mga ancestor daw nila, nag-fish daw dyan, kaya kanila na agad. Hindi nila alam, yung mga Pilipino, nagpipish pa noon as far as Alaska. Hindi naman natin inangkin yung Alaska. Na joke lang po yun, pero you know what I'm trying to get across yun. Okay. So again, ang recruitment po is at Walter Mart. Kung gusto nyo mag-apply, punta lang kayo sa Walter Mart. No? Masarap mag-apply doon, aircon doon eh.
Yes.
Yan, dalhin nyo na po yung mga ano nyo. Napansin ko kanina sa mga binanggit ni Sir, dadalhin nyo yung original, magdadala rin kayo ng
Photocopy.
Photocopy.
no? Kasi to show, you guys need to show the original pa rin. syempre.
Yes.
Kahit na photocopy lang naman yung kukunin.
Yes.
Yes.
Ayun. So, huwag niyo po kakalimutan yun. Napaka-importante nun. And again, if you wanna recall ulit yung mga sinabi nila Ma'am and Sir na requirements, puntahan nyo lang sa kanilang FB page. Ayan.
Yes, pwede rin,
Nakapost po doon.
DJ Tommy,
Or
pwede rin silang doon sa The Philippine Fleet Facebook
Philippine Fleet
page
Facebook
is
page.
meron tayong QR code doon.
Yun.
Kung medyo malayo sila sa vicinity ng Zambales or sa mga nabanggit kong lugar ng recruitment,
Okay.
ay pwede rin silang mag-submit ng mga requirements nila
Uy.
through that QR
That QR
code.
code.
And
Yun.
they will be called.
Scan lang, no?
Tatawagan na lang sila kung kailan sila mag-i-exam.
Yun.
Ayan, para mas mabilis yung proseso. Siyempre, technology-wise,
Yeah, exactly.
very advanced na tayo ngayon.
Yeah.
So, ginagamit natin yung leverage ng technology.
Use it to our advantage. Yan. So, ayan ha, yung mga tropa ko dyan na, na nakatambay lang. May some of them, mga graduate, mga pero walang mapasukan.
Siyempre,
diba?
una sa puso natin, yung willing tayong mag-serve para sa ating bayan.
Yes.
Ayan, mga pare ko, kumarir na kayo, di ba? Pisahan nyo na. Di ba? And this could be a good start for you to have a career, di ba? The Philippine Navy. Ayan. Again, sabi nga, gaya nga ng binanggit natin kanina, hanggat may Pilipinas, may Navy, stable yan. Hindi stable job, hindi siya hindi mawawala, di ba? Hindi siya
Hanggat may Pilipinas, mayroon tayong armed forces.
Yes.
Definitely.
Ating sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas.
Maiba naman ako ng tanong, Ma'am and Sir. How long have you guys been in the Navy? Kayo?
Ako, I've been in the service for almost 13 years.
13 years now. Yun.
Ako, sir, kakapasok ko lang, sir. Actually, last December, kakagraduate ko lang last December.
Uy, okay,
Yes.
bagong-bago lang. Si Sir, 13 years na. Tagal na, ha? Wow. Unang-una saan kayo na-assign? Since 13 years na kayo, ano yung unang-una nyo
Mindanao.
naging assignment? Mindanao.
Been assigned almost 5 years sa Davao, sa area ng Region 11, Cotabato, from Surigao going down to General Santos, Cotabato. Yan.
Pero hindi yan kagad yung role nyo for the
Davao.
Navy, yung role nyo ngayon, ano? Iba pa yung role nyo noon.
Iba
when you
nun,
first
iba
started.
nun.
Ano yung role nyo noon?
Ako yung I've been the acting commander of Civil Military Operations Unit Eastern Mindanao.
Uy, civil military.
And then yes sir, then afterwards naging ako din yung commanding officer ng CMOU Northern Luzon.
Northern Luzon.
Ayan.
Mhm.
So then after that na-assign na tayo sa Philippine Fleet.
Philippine Fleet. Yeah.
As the doon naman sa mga floating sa barko naman tayo na-assign. Almost 3 years.
And now you're with the public relations.
Yes, I am ngayon waiting for my schooling. Dito tayo ngayon sa headquarters Philippine Fleet.
Okay. Si Madam naman, you're currently the
Admin branch.
admin.
Admin branch at our office po.
When you joined, yun na kagad.
Yeah.
Yun. Alright. And where are you guys from? Okay lang ba tanongin?
Originally sa Leyte.
Leyte. Si
Leyte.
Madam.
I'm from
Alright.
Dumaguete, sir.
Dumaguete.
Yeah.
Parehong malayo. Malayo from here. Alam mo?
Malayo.
Oo nga. Totoo nga yung sabi nila, travel.
Yeah.
Join the Navy, get to travel. Di ba? Siyempre naman. Ayan, okay. So, I hope we have conveyed whatever it is that needed to be conveyed sa ating mga
Yes.
tagapakinig. May gusto pa po kayo idagdag? Ayokong may makalimutan tayo eh. Siyempre, importante ito eh.
Opo, binabati po namin ang aming commander, Rear Admiral Renato P. David, Philippine Navy, the Commander Philippine Fleet. Ganon din ang aming Deputy Commander na kasalukuyang nag-celebrate ng kanyang birthday.
Uy!
Ngayon,
Yes.
Happy birthday!
Commodore Roy Vincent Trinidad. At the same time, the Philippine Navy person for West Philippine Sea. And among Chief of Fleet Staff, Captain Louis Lawan Lingko na Philippine Navy GSC. At ganun din ang aming mga kasamahan sa Headquarters Philippine Fleet, headed by our Assistant Chief of Fleet Staff for Operations, Captain Dimitilio.
Demitilio, ayan.
Ayan.
Yung nagbe-birthday, saan yung celebration ng birthday?
Ay, hindi ko alam kung nasaan siya ngayon, sir. Baka nasa Iligan siya ngayon at mayroon siyang press con.
Oh, yung pong gustong pumunta sa Iligan po. Kanyang birthday. Kayo, madam, anybody wanna add to that or greet or yeah?
Yun, binabati ko lang yung mga ka-office ko dyan.
Okay, so
Ganun din, yung aming mga pamilya sa
Ah,
probinsya, to my wife, Yoli, and my son, Axel. Sana okay lang kayo dyan. Ayan.
yeah. And you, ma'am.
Ayun lang.
Okay. So, pero dito, kaya kayo sa Walter Mart nagkakonduct ng ano, you guys, while you're here, are you staying in the ship? Tama ba? Or nasa barko kayo nag-i-stay? Ganun? Or,
Ngayon? Hindi,
Since nandito
DJ.
kayo sa Subic? Yeah.
Hindi digit. Nasa ano kami ngayon? Headquarters.
Headquarters.
Kami
Yeah.
assigned.
Ang headquarters ng Navy natin dito is
Sa Barangay Kawag.
sa Barangay Kawag sa Subic. Ayan. So no wonder sa Walter Mart natin hinuhold yung
Yes.
recruitment dahil malapit nga lang doon. Ayun. Okay, wow. O, ayan po That's the announcement coming from your Navy. Ayan. Join the Navy and get to travel, get to be educated and trained, di ba? Magandang experience to, magandang pang-career. Ayan. So you're all invited. Everybody's invited. Okay. So thank you very much, Madam and Sir, for
Thank you, sir.
dropping by and pati na rin sa kasama natin.
Yes, binabati
Thank you,
rin
sir.
pala namin ang aming Assistant Chief of Fleet Staff for Civil Military Operations, Lieutenant Commander Divino Hore, Philippine Navy. Ayan, kasama natin siya ngayon.
Yan.
So,
Alright.
ayan.
Officer
maraming salamat.
Sore, Badidels ba yan, sir?
Badidles.
Badidles. And Madam Galion. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you
Maraming
for coming.
salamat,
Maraming
DJ
salamat.
Tommy.
All right. Okay, we will play another song coming from a band from Olongapo City. This is called the band is called Dreamville, and this is their original composition. The song is called Tingala. 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. We'll be back with more.